Welcome to the daily message for this Friday in the octave of Easter. Today I want to call your attention to the first reading for today's liturgy, which comes from the 4th chapter of the Acts of the Apostles. In this story, Peter and John have just cured a man who is crippled, and they are taken into custody. And then they're dragged before the leaders of the people, the elders and the scribes, and even Annas the high priest and Caiaphas and all who were of the high priestly class, so the reading says. And they question Peter and John by saying, "By what power or by what name have you done this?" And Peter declares, "We have done this in the name of Jesus the Nazarene." And then he says, "He is the stone rejected by you, the builders, which has become the cornerstone." The stone rejected by the builders means that the religious and political leaders of Jesus' time rejected him, did not accept either his person or his message. And yet Jesus, has become the cornerstone of this new faith. That image of the stone rejected by the builders is one that I think applies to us as well today. There are people in our society who are rejected. There are people, these stones, if you will, that are rejected. People who are poor, people of color, sometimes the elderly, people who are sick, people who suffer with mental illness. These are stones that are often rejected by us. And yet, as the reading tells us, these are the cornerstone. These people, the poor, the vulnerable, those in need, they are the cornerstone of our church. They are the ones from whom we can learn what it means to have faith and trust in God. It is from them that we can learn what it means to love, to be just, and to show compassion. Thank you once again for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Just a reminder that I will be preparing a daily message for Saturdays and Sundays going forward. Have a great day.